Hi there, students. I had a question from Yelma asking me to explain disenchanted or disillusioned. Now, I think to all intents and purposes, these two words are synonyms. Yeah? If you become disenchanted with something, you no longer believe in its value. You've become bored of it, especially when you've learned the problems about it. So I think many people are disenchanted with our political system. Yeah, and then to disillusion, to disappoint somebody by telling them the truth about something, yeah, particularly about something they liked and respected. Yeah, so I'm sorry to disillusion you, but he's not the honest, upright teacher that he appears to be. Yeah, I know you always thought this thing was wonderful, but I'm going to have to disillusion you by telling you the real truth. So I think maybe there's a little difference in nuance between these two words. I think if you become disenchanted, you lose your illusions, or you become free of its charms. Very often to disenchant, to become bored of, to become tired of. Whereas to disillusion, you had ideas that this was fantastic, and then suddenly you've seen the real truth. Yeah, so to disillusion, to make somebody realize that something is not as good as they thought it was. Yeah, whereas I think a person becomes disenchanted. You could disenchant somebody by telling them the naked truth. Yeah, but to disenchant, to become disappointed with something. Yeah, to become bored by it. I mean, effectively, to disenchant, to set free from a magic spell. Yeah, so I was set free from its magic spell. I became disenchanted with it. Yeah, although I think it's more likely that a person becomes disenchanted, but something disillusions them. Okay, let's see. So to disillusion, the process of disenchanting or freeing somebody from a false belief. Yeah, so I always thought that this lottery was completely honest, but it really disillusioned me when I discovered that the lottery was rigged. And then to disenchant, again, to free from illusion, to free from false belief. Yeah, to stop somebody from being deceived. So I was very disenchanted with the book. The previous books were really good, but this book, well, it disillusioned me, and I became a bit disenchanted with the author. I wasn't so keen on the author anymore. So let's see. Formality, to disillusion or disenchant. I'm going to give them 6s in formality, but use them anywhere. Let's see. As to origin, well, disenchant comes from French. Disenchanter, to take away a magic spell. Yeah, and then that itself comes from incantare, incanto. Yeah, from cantus, a song or a chant. And then disillusion. Okay, this comes again, not, and from French or from Latin, illusio. Yeah, illudere. So in, and then ludere, to mock or to trick or to play. So I hope this video hasn't disillusioned you, and I hope you don't become disenchanted with the channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Disillusion, disenchant.